Hello, and welcome back to Sprafka's Engineering. Last time we finished by connecting the Arduino to the LCD. This time we're going to take a look at the Adafruit graphics library and get the LCD up and running. As you can probably see, I did some cleanup work on my wiring since last time. I had a little bit of trouble getting my LCD up and running, but once I overcame my childish resistance to cutting and stripping wires, thankfully everything worked out. Learn from my mistakes. Always make sure you keep your wiring as neat as possible, lest you end up with a horrid rat's nest on top of your breadboard. Also, it's good practice to try and use the shortest wires possible. If you don't know why that is, I don't know, maybe ask your dad or something. It's actually because of line inductance, but that's a story for another time. To get started, we're going to need to download a few files, namely the Adafruit graphics file and the file that contains information specific to our LCD. There is a nice step-by-step tutorial of how to get these files on the Adafruit website. As you can see, everything can be done from inside the Arduino IDE. Once you have the files installed, open the example file called SSD1325test, which you can see I already have open here, and upload it to your Arduino. You should see a cute little animation. Let's watch it together, shall we? As a side note, I can't think of any good way to record the screen of the LCD without using a camera, which means we're all going to have to suffer through this horrible flickering. If you have any thoughts, let me know. Otherwise, we all get to suffer together. Very cute. Now we know that everything works. Next time, we'll start planning for the future. We're going to want to make a general outline of the functions we need to communicate in parallel mode, using the SPI functions as a guide. We are also going to need to do some more soldering and change around those resistors on the back of the LCD. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.